Hi everyone, this is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, in this video we are going to talk about who is deserved to be successful. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. In my view, in my opinion, a successful person is someone who does not care about what other people think about him. Okay? Successful people always keep doing that thing that they want to perform or accomplish. Successful people always have a goal in their mind and chasing that goal. They are always finding better way for their success. And successful people always think positive, okay? Someone is deserved to be successful who always try to manage his time and focuses on career, okay? They accomplish in better way. In my opinion, everyone can be successful as they follow the way of successful people. For example, if you really want to become successful, you should follow the way of successful people. You should manage every moment of your day. For example, from when you wake up to when you sleep at night, you should have plans, okay? If you manage your time, you can have much more time. For example, if you wake up too early, you can be more productive. My main and important advice is that you should don't care about what other people think about you. People always try to sabotage you or your feelings or your emotions, okay? Please stop thinking about people. Start thinking about your goal, okay? And work and keep moving forward. If you care or think about what other people think about you, you have to go home and sit down and start watching TV, okay? Because of what? Because you're not deserved to be successful. I'm going to say it one more time. If you care what other people think about you or what other people tell you something negative, you have to go home and sit down and start watching TV. You're not deserved to be successful. Got it? This is my main advice and very important advice is for you guys that you should never care what other people think about you. If you find this video useful, please give us a big thumbs up. Come on, if you have something else in your mind, and please comment down below. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.